Welcome to Solid State Disks How-To Video Library Collection. Part 4, Performing Backup and Restore Functions. There are three ways to perform backup and restore. 1. From the drive menu select Backup or Restore. 2. Using the keyboard shortcuts Ctrl+B Backup and Ctrl+R Restore. 3. Using the backup and restore icons on the GUI main page. To back up a drive image, click on the Create a Backup icon. Navigate to the location where you want to save the image, and enter a name for the image as shown. Click Save. Progress bar displays time left until backup completion. Message box notifies you when task is complete. To restore a drive image, click on the Restore a Backup icon. Navigate to the location where the saved image is stored, and select it. Click Open. Progress bar displays time left until restore is complete. Message box notifies you when task is complete.